push around on my ass.
Hey, now I regret it.
I don't know about you, but that's sure pretty.
I thought she was. And then almost do like kickball.
In the bushes and Clinton, water and Reagan and old Richard Nixon. Sorry, is this not what that means? Alright, I'll get it right next time. Wash your hands. Like a boat full of people. Sorry, I'm really bad at analogies. Don't wake them up on the dock. Wake them up over here. You're not gonna see them for at least 2 weeks. I'm kidding. You're never gonna see them again. Of course, you've never seen them before, and you're doing all right. Welcome aboard the world famous Jingle cruise. I'm Skipper Sean. I'll be your ho-ho host for as far as we get. We're now entering the Amazon rainforest. Here in the Amazon rainforest, we're up to 365 days a year. Make sure we stay seated at all times. I know I don't think I can see you, but I can see you. Please don't do that. All right, now if you look off to either side, you're going to see some of our humbugs. And if you listen really closely, you might hear their calls. They're my humbugs. Now, come up on our left-hand side, you're going to see the mysterious Inspiration Rock. Everyone gaze into Inspiration Rock and feel the power of its mighty inspiration. Everyone say, ooh. Everyone say, ah. Now that is inspiration if I've ever heard it. We're now not only changing rivers, but we are changing continents. We're now in the Congo River, in the deepest, darkest part of Africa. We're about to find out just how far our boat can go. I didn't pack any winter clothes for this trip, but don't worry, I checked the forecast and there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. If anyone here has ever wanted to see the Jungle Book, I have good news. It's over there. Up ahead, I arranged a festive holiday party. All my friends told me we're going to be here, but looks like everyone must have dashed away. Dashed going to go shopping or something. I'm not really sure, but I think I know what someone's getting for Christmas this year. It's an old tree. You can tell. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Now, that was supposed to be 2 partridges and a pair of trees. We'll take what we can get around here. We're going to swing by my base camp for some supplies. And, oh, no. Looks like those gorillas have broken in and opened up all my Christmas presents early. But that's all right. I was having some trouble getting that Jeep started. Looks like they got it to turn over. They made a Christmas wreath entirely out of shotgun shells. Must got a real bang out of that experience. We're now turning on to the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in disbelief. That's right. Over here on the left, you're going to see an African bull elephant. Now I can tell this is an African elephant because we're in Africa. Now they're very rare creatures. I can practically guarantee you will never see another one ever again. Well, it's a Christmas miracle. Up ahead, that is a sandstone rock formation. I like to take the time to point that out because so many people take it for granted. Out on on the African veldt. We have some zebras, some impalas, some giraffes, and I don't know them, they must be new. Aw, that pride of lions is kindly watching over that sleeping zebra. How sweet. I'm kidding, he's dead. Tired. Dead, tired. Let him rest in peace. Would you look at that? Must be a million rocks on that beach. Over there's my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina. Yeah, she's one of Santa's little yelpers. We're turning the corner once again. You know what they say. Danger lurks around every corner here in the jungle. And if you look off to the left-hand side, you'll see absolutely nothing. But there's something you don't see every day. But I do. Every single day. Up ahead, we have the majestic Schweitzer Vault, named after that famous North Pole explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. But don't worry about that too much right now. We're going to go over that later. All right, folks, we got a tight turn here. I'm going to need everyone to lean to the right. Lean to the right. Thank you. I couldn't have done without you. You could have done more. Feel that refreshing mist in your base. It contains up to 900 different types of tropical bacteria. Now, the Jungle Aviation Supply Company's running some great deals this holiday season. Just the other day, we got half off on a plane. But we've been in the jungle as long as I have. You begin to smell danger, that is. Looks like we have some hippos up ahead. They're wiggling their ears to keep warm. They don't want to catch hypothermia. They can be very dangerous, but don't worry, I know how to scare them away. I love you! I love you! Well, work's not living in my life anyway. Now, something tells me we're not out of the woods yet. Must be all these trees around us. Anyone here ever get that sinking feeling? Because I can't relate to that. Uh-oh. Looks like those chimps have gone bananas and taken over one of our boats. I bet they think we're going to get the last laugh, but we'll just see about that. Now I got the last laugh, it'll show them. Aw, now these two are catching some butterflies. That's just adorable, but you know, if you ask me, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Now, folks, it is time for the most exciting part of our journey. By far the highlight. Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers of all ages, it's time for the eighth wonder of the world, the one, the only, the backside of water! A true Boxing Day miracle. Now, kids, please don't try that at home. You might think you're having a sink. You don't have to see how I know that. I just feel. We're now changing context once again. We're now the Decor River in Cambodia. Looks like there's been an earthquake recently. A new entrance to this temple has opened up. I don't know what's inside. We could find treasure. We could find danger. I think we should go in. Alright, there are at least 3 people, that's the majority. We're going in. Keep your eyes open, mine are going to be shut tight. Now this is going to be painful. It's a root canal. Secret bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Feel free to take all the pictures you want. They're all wearing their trunks today. Now, does anyone know how I know they're Indian elephants? right, good talk. Now those baby elephants want for Christmas, they're too chunky. Now they're coming up ahead that like to try to squirt the boats. I'm going to see if we can sneak past them. Hold on. You know, when I said to shower us with gifts, that is not what I meant. Oh, no, man, get down. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. That's a little dry humor for you. A lot of people think it's water that comes out of their trunks, but it's not. Yeah, during this point in our journey, I like to point out some of my favorite plant life. And I like that green one. No, I don't like that one. Over here we have our world famous Jingle Cruise gift shop. This is our gift shop. It is definitely not our lost and found where we take lost items and resell them for a profit, because that would be unethical. And does that look like an unethical element to you? I don't think so. As we come around this last corner, approaching the most dangerous and festive part of our journey, the return to civilization. So as we come around, make sure to remain seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And do be sure to supervise your children when the time does come to exit. If you're on this side, you're exiting out that front door. If you're on the jungle side over here, you're going to turn around, exit out that back door. Please don't cross those center crates at any time. You'll ruin Christmas. Now, folks, we've laughed together, cried together. We have very nearly died together. So after a cruise like that, I think there's really just one thing left to say. Get out. I'm sorry, that was rude. I'm Tom. Please get out. Thank you very much, folks. Everyone, stand by the ones going to help us balance up. Remember, Pop the Jungle side, out the back door. Don't on the back door.